to another Two Brother Productions. Now we have the X-Maxx 8S's. We got the first one on the left. When it first came out, that's about a 2020. The one on the right, that is your brand new latest edition solar flare. Now let's see what's going on under the hoods. When you come over to this one, what you're gonna see is we have the suspension socks. Keeps all the dirt out, makes it easier to clean. Now you have the aluminum tie rods. If you're gonna put the aluminum tie rods, you have to have the metal gears in your servo. If not, the metal from the tie rods is gonna transfer all the tension into the gears. It's gonna strip your gears. Keep all your parts Traxxas. There's a lot of aftermarkets, but you know, for warranty purposes, Traxxas did a good job at everything. Might as well keep their products for your truck. Now, when we come over to the right side, now we have the WideMaxx. This is what the Xmaxx looks like. Same guy, much longer arms. Now, if you want to do the tie rods on this, you're gonna have to get different ones because they didn't have them in metal yet. But if you're gonna put metal tie rods, you gotta put metal gears. If not, keep it all plastic. That way it helps transfer all the kinetic energy and everything. It does get taller, as you can see. This one is a lot taller than that one. You have longer arms, therefore you're gonna be a bit taller. And it's definitely a lot wider. I'll show you what a lot wider looks like. There you have it. I'm gonna give you a nice close-up of the height difference. You're gonna see there is a noticeable change in height. And it's just as sick as it was. Now it's just a lot sicker, and we're down with the sickness.